In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Microsoft Loop. Let's get started by heading to Microsoft Loop in your web browser. This is the hub where your team's pages and components live. Once you're in, you'll land on the home experience. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work account so you see your organization's content. Next, open a workspace. A workspace is simply a shared container for related pages, tasks, and documents. Choose the one where your project lives or the place where collaborators already have access. This ensures anything you upload is immediately available to the right people. Inside the workspace, open the specific page where you want to attach your file. Think of a page as the canvas for your notes, components, and links. Opening the exact page first makes sure your file lands in the right context and is easy for teammates to find. Now look for the Create New button on the page. This is your main action menu for adding content in Loop. Click it, then choose Upload a File. This route is recommended because it keeps the file properly integrated with the page and your workspace, making previews and collaboration smoother. A file picker will open so you can select a document from your computer, choose the file you want, and confirm. Loop will upload and attach it to the page. You'll see a file card appear with the file name and an option to open it so your team can jump right in. A few important details to keep in mind as you upload. First, there's a size limit. Each individual file can be up to 250 GB. Also, common document types are supported, including Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and PDF files. After the upload, anyone who already has access to the Loop workspace can view and edit the file, so you don't need to set separate permissions for each attachment. If you prefer a quick action, you can also drag and drop a file directly onto a Loop page to attach it. That works well for fast uploads, but using the Create New and then Upload a File method is recommended for the best integration with Loop's features. Finally, this upload capability is generally available for work accounts. If you don't see it in your environment, check with your admin or make sure you're signed in with your organization's credentials, and that's it. You've uploaded a file to a Microsoft Loop page right where your team collaborates. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Loop.